Welcome back to Southern Eats, y'all. I'm Bo, your host, and today we're not just cooking, we're conquering the kitchen. Imagine this. You're sitting in your cozy home, the aroma of creamy, cheesy goodness filling the air, and you've just recreated one of America's favorite comfort foods, Panera's Broccoli Cheddar Soup, but better because you made it yourself. This isn't about following recipes blindly. It's about unlocking your inner chef, saving money, and bringing that restaurant magic right to your table. If you've ever felt intimidated by cooking, today we're changing that. You have the power to transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Let's dive in and make this copycat masterpiece that'll have your family begging for seconds. Stick around. This 10-minute journey will empower you like never before. First things first, let's talk about why this recipe matters. In a world full of fast food and takeout, cooking at home is your secret weapon. It's healthier, cheaper, and oh so satisfying. Panera's soup costs what, $7 a bowl? You can feed a family of 8 for that price with this copycat version. And y'all, it's got that southern comfort twist, creamy, hearty, and perfect for those chilly evenings. Based on the rave reviews from thousands of folks online, this copycat recipe is a real winner. People say it's spot on, easy, and even better with a few tweaks. We're drawing from that wisdom today to make it foolproof. Let's giddy up, partners. Prep time, just 10 minutes. The cook time is around 35 minutes, serves 8. Per serving, about 441 calories, packed with 22 grams of protein, 46% of the daily value of calcium your body needs, and that vitamin C boost from the veggies to keep you healthy in this cold weather. It's nutritious motivation in a bowl. Now gather your arsenal. These are the ingredients that'll fuel your victory. 1 tablespoon of butter, your base for that rich flavor. Half an onion, chopped, adds that sweet, savory depth. 1/4 cup of melted butter, for the roux that'll thicken things up. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, the thickener that turns liquid into creamy heaven. 2 cups of milk, whole milk for extra creaminess, or swap 1 cup for heavy cream if you're feeling indulgent, as many reviewers suggest. 2 cups of chicken stock, the savory backbone. Use low sodium if you want control over the salt. 1½ cups of coarsely chopped broccoli florets. Fresh is best for that vibrant green pop. 1 cup of matchstick cut carrots, or shred them yourself for a personal touch. 1 stalk of celery, thinly sliced, for that subtle crunch and aroma. 2½ cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Go for extra sharp or mix in Gruyere for a gourmet edge. Salt and ground black pepper to taste. Season boldly, y'all. Pro tip from the community: add a clove of minced garlic or a pinch of garlic powder for that extra kick. And if you're short on cheddar, a bit of Velveeta melts like a dream. Remember, customization is key. Make it yours. All right, warriors of the whisk, let's get cooking. Step 1, gather all your ingredients. Lay them out like a battle plan. This sets you up for success and avoids mid-cook chaos. Step 2, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Toss in your chopped onion and cook, stirring until it's tender and translucent, about 5 minutes. Set that aside. Why? This sauté builds flavor from the ground up. As one reviewer said, sautéed onions make everything taste better. Step 3. In a large saucepan, whisk together 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1/4 cup of flour over medium-low heat. Keep whisking for 3 to 4 minutes, adding a splash of milk if it starts to burn. This is your roux, the foundation of creaminess. Patience here pays off. It's like building mental toughness. Step 4. Gradually add the 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Stir in the 2 cups of chicken stock and bring it to a simmer. Cook until thickened, about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally and think about how this simmer mirrors life. Slow progress leads to rich results. Step 5. Now add your broccoli florets, matchstick carrots, thinly sliced celery, and those sautéed onions. Simmer until the veggies are tender, another 10 to 15 minutes. Test with a fork. You want them soft but not mushy. Here's a tip. For a smoother texture, use an immersion blender on half the soup before adding cheese, as suggested by fans. Helpful but not necessary if you don't have one. Step 6. Stir in the 2½ cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese until it's fully melted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Boom! You've done it. If it seems too thick, splash in more stock or milk. Too thin? Simmer a bit longer or add a cornstarch slurry. Throughout this process, remember, mistakes are opportunities. If the cheese clumps, lower the heat next time. Add a pinch of nutmeg or Cajun seasoning for a southern flair. It'll elevate it to legendary status. Or keep it simple, just like Panera does it. Want to level up? Reviewers love these twists. Swap milk for half and half for ultra creaminess. Add crispy bacon bits for that smoky southern touch. Serve in bread bowls. Hollow out sourdough loaves for an edible vessel. Top with extra cheese, green onions, or even a dash of hot sauce. Freeze leftovers for quick wins later. This soup isn't just food, it's fuel for your body and soul. Nutritionally, it's a powerhouse. High in protein to keep you going, calcium for strong bones, and veggies for that natural energy boost. You're not just eating, you're investing in yourself. There you have it. Southern Eats family. Your Copycat Panera Broccoli Cheddar Soup mastered. You've proven to yourself that restaurant-quality meals are within reach. Feel that sense of accomplishment? That's the power of home cooking. If this inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more empowering recipes, and comment below. What's your favorite soup twist? Follow us on TikTok, watch Southern Eats for daily motivation. Until next time, keep cooking with heart. Y'all got this.